Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this. Actually, it's not in a box, I'm sorry, but I got this cute items from Fendi at the Fendi Outlet in Florence. They have an amazing outlet mall there. You take a bus there, you could drive there. It's a half hour outside of Florence, and there's so many really good outlets, luxury outlets there, and the Fendi one was incredible. So I just wanted to show you what I got, but before I show you, I don't know if you remember this bag. So this is the mini Montresor bucket bag, and let's just take out the stuffing out of it. And I love this bag, but it's all black and it has this top handle, and I really wanted to jazz it up. I always wanted to get a Fendi strap for it, but they're so expensive. So when I was going to Italy, I knew I wanted to get a strap for this bag. So that was what I was specifically looking for. So I'm going to take this strap off because what I bought at the Fendi outlet are a couple of straps. So let me show you. I'm kind of bummed because the SA put both straps in one dust bag, which I don't like because it could get scratched up. But the first one I got is this one. It says Fendi on it in these cool little studs. So it is so cute. It has like all different colors. I think it's like a light grayish blue color. It's hard to tell from the camera, but it says Fendi on it, and you can clip it to this bag. So I'm going to show you. You just clip it on these circular straps here. And I just noticed that these this hardware on this strap is silver, and the hardware on this bag is gold. So I'm kind of bummed about that, actually, but hopefully it's not too weird looking. I don't know, what do you think? It's gold with silver, but I love how this looks. I mean, this is so cute. This is just adding some like cute little texture to this bag. So this, it makes it even like a fancier top handle. I love it. You hold it like this on the crook of your arm. I don't know. What do you think? It's so cute, right? So I got this for an amazing deal. These straps are really expensive. I think this strap retail goes for like $600 or something like that. And I got this one for $200. So let me show you the other strap I got. Okay. The other one I got is a black strap, but has a really cool detail to it. It has this like braiding detail, and it has this like knot, and it's all in leather. And again, it's a silver hardware. I didn't even notice that. I'm so completely bummed about that. Oh my goodness. I hope that doesn't look weird. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on my bag here, clip it to here. What do you think? Does the silver and gold look weird? Does it look weird to you? I don't know. I mean, I think I'm okay with it, but I think it makes the bag look super cute. It has so it has this braiding here. Yeah, it's adorable. What do you think? I mean, I think it really adds a lot of zhuzh to the bag, no? What do you think? Is it cute? This braiding? Here's a close-up. I'm going to stand up so you can see it too. What do you think? Does it look cute? Let me try to back up here. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Does the silver and gold hardware bother you, or it just doesn't really make a difference? I don't know. I didn't even realize I didn't even realize to check that. But yeah, I got this strap for a great deal as well. This one was $110. And it's so cute. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like videos like this. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Designer Hall. I will see you next time. Thanks again. Bye.